So in this video, I just want to go over quickly how Excel works. Here I have data. Sometimes you can copy data into Excel. Here I just typed it in. And I'm going to calculate the mean, the median, the mode, and the standard deviation. So what we call the mean in statistics, textbooks, is normally known as the average, and that's the name of this function in Excel. So when you want Excel to calculate something, you start with the equal sign. And then to find the average, I actually type in average. Now, if I want to find the average, this is how Excel works. You put equal sign, you put the name of the function, and then you open parentheses to let it know what you want to put inside your function. Here, this is actually called the cell A12. I could actually just click here and drag it down, and it puts the numbers in for me, and then I close parentheses. And this tells Excel to calculate the average of everything that's in cell A1 down through cell A7, and then you just hit the enter sign. So go ahead, if you want to double check this in a calculator, add up these 7 numbers and then divide by 7, and you're going to get this. And if you want more decimal places, you can just make the column wider or shorter. Now I'm going to calculate median. Let me just type in here that this is the mean so we can keep track of what we're doing. So now I want to calculate the median. I go here similarly. I want Excel to calculate something, so I start with the equal sign. Now I have to tell it what function I want to use, so here I want to find the median. And again, I can click and drag, or I can just type in A1, and then I use a colon to denote that this is a range. So I start at A1, colon, where do I want to end at? A7. And then I close parentheses to tell Excel that those are my inputs, and then I could just hit the enter sign. Next, let's calculate mode. So equals mode, open parentheses, and then I could type in A1 colon A7, or I can just drag it through, close it up, hit enter sign, and I get 9. And again, I just want to reiterate something right now. I'm not teaching you how to use Excel right now so much as showing you how Excel kind of works. This is mainly to give you an idea of how Excel works, and if you want to use Excel during the course, or if you want to use the TI-84 during the course. Now the last one is the standard deviation. This is the one that students lose their mind on, because if you do one little thing wrong, you get the whole problem wrong. But it's actually super easy using Excel. So I'm going to do, I start typing in standard deviation, but then it's shortened to stdev.s, and there's a .p. What's the difference? Well, this is for the population, but normally we're going to be dealing with a sample of something. So I'm just going to click this in Excel, and again, I want from A1 to A7, close parentheses, hit the enter sign, and there it gives me the standard deviation. Also, if I just want to keep it where my other stuff was, I could just type it in here. Equals standard deviation.s. Again, this is for a sample. So I click that, and if I just wanted to drag my values, I can do that. I just want to close my parentheses, hit enter, and there's my standard. Oh, let's add my caps on. Standard deviation. And again, sometimes you'll get a weird answer in Excel, and it just might mean that your column is too short or too narrow, so you can make it longer to see all the decimals.